Hi, in this video I'm just going to give you some quick formatting tips that converts these improperly formatted cells into properly formatted cells like these. In MS Excel, dates, time, percentages and currencies are all just numbers that are formatted to appear differently. Now sometimes these numbers don't appear in the format in which we want. For example, here I have a bunch of data points which are not in the format in which I want. So here are their current appearances and here is the format in which I want them. So how to change them? That's where the shortcut keys that I'm going to teach you now will help you. Keep in mind, these shortcut keys work irrespective of the current format of the cell. They change it to the destination format. So when you want to change your number to appear as a date, the shortcut key uses Ctrl Shift 3. If your cell is formatted into something else, you want it to appear as a time into hours and minutes, you use Ctrl Shift 2. For years, if you look at it, we would like to see it without any comma or periods, and that means we want it in the general format, and for that the shortcut key is Ctrl Shift and the epsilon. For percentages, if they appear in any other format, if you want it in percentage format, use Ctrl Shift 5, and if your cell appears in any differently but you want it to appear in decimal format, that's a number with the necessary commas and the periods, you use Ctrl Shift 1. For currencies, we're going to use Ctrl Shift 4. So these are the various shortcut keys for the various formats. Hope you found the video useful. I'll see you next time. Until then, thank you and take care. Bye.